Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel A2Dict. I will discuss some important problems which were asked in various exams like IIT JAM, CMI, ISI, NBA JAM, TFR, CSI NET and GATE etc. Particularly in this video, I am going to talk about topologist sine curve and reveal some its important properties which were very useful for competitive exams. So let's start. Topologist sine curve. It is the set S star which is S union the point 0 0 where the set S is the graph of sine 1 by x for x greater than 0 less than equal to 1. Now, the closed topologist sine curve, it is the closure of set S closure. It is the union of S union set I where I is the set 0, y such that y is between -1 and 1. The extended topologist sine curve, it is SE which is S closure union the point on the line y equal to 1 for x between 0 and 1. The properties of topologist sine curve. The first property is S star is not locally compact. First of all, what is locally compact? A space X is said to be locally compact at some point X if there is some compact subspace C of space X that contains a neighborhood of the point X. If the topological space X is locally compact at each of its points, then that space X is said to be locally compact space. For example, topological space R and or the Euclidean space R to the power n both are locally compact space. Note that R and R to the power n are not compact space, or a locally compact need not be a compact space. See here, S star is not locally compact because if you take any disk center at 0 0 and whose radius is epsilon, their disk is not contained in any compact neighborhood of 0 0. So S star is not locally compact. If I will ask you whether it is true that a continuous image of a locally compact space is locally compact or not, the answer is no. Continuous image of a locally compact space need not be locally compact. For a counterexample, you can take a function f from the set -1 union open interval 0 closed 1 to S star defined by f of x is 0 0 at x equal to -1 and f of x equal to x comma sine 1 by x for x belongs to open 0 closed 1. Is this map is continuous map and it maps a compact set, this a locally compact set -1 union open 0 closed 1 to S star. This set is locally compact but S star is not locally compact. So continuous image of a locally compact space need not be locally compact. The second property is S star is connected but not path connected. The third property is S star has two path component S and the set which contains the only point 0 0. Properties of closed topologist sine curve. The closure of set S closure is the closed topologist sine curve which is the union of two set S union I. First property is S closure is compact because it is closed and bounded. The second property is S closure is connected because it is the continuous image of a connected set C. F is a function from open 0 closed 1 to S defined by f of x equal to x comma sine 1 by x. F is a continuous function because both its coordinate function x and sine 1 by x are continuous, and the image of a connected set open 0 closed 1 is set S. Therefore S is connected because it is a continuous image of F, continuous image of a connected set, and we know that closure of a connected set is always connected. So S closure is connected. The third property is S closure is not path connected. Fourth is neither S star nor S closure is locally connected. Now what is locally connected set? A topological space X is said to be locally connected at some point X belongs to X if for every neighborhood V of X there exists a connected neighborhood U of X such that X belongs to U and U is contained in the connected neighborhood V. If the topological space X is locally connected at each of its points, then that space X is called locally connected space. See, S closure is S union I has two path component S and I. That means S closure, the largest connected path connector set in S closure is S and I. The extended topology sign curve S E, which is S closure union the point on the line y equal to 1 for x greater than equal to 0 less than equal to 1. Now the first property is the extended topology sign curve S to the power is path connected but not locally connected, and this is a counterexample that a path connected set need not be locally connected. These are some of problems which were asked in exams like CSIR NET and NVHM. Thank you all.